For example, if we have 2 exponent minus 4, it will become 1 upon 2 exponent 4. This is how we solve negative exponent. Next, we have rational exponent. As we have learned, rational numbers are the numbers that can be written in the fraction form. So, rational exponents are the exponent which are a fraction. For example, a exponent 1 upon n. It can be written in radical form as nth root of a. If we have a exponent m upon n, this m, the numerator, the exponent in the numerator will become the power, and the exponent in the denominator will become the radical sign. So, a exponent m upon n will be written as nth root of a whole exponent m. Next, we have 0 exponent. If we have 0 as an exponent, then the whole thing is equals to 1. If any base have 0 as exponent, the answer is always equals to 1. Next, we have some rules of exponent. The first one is product rule. According to product rule, if we have same base and the numbers are multiplying with each other, we just write the base once and add the exponents. Similarly, quotient rule, if the base is same and the numbers are dividing with each other, so we will write the base once and exponent will be subtracted. Power rule. Power rule says if we have an exponent over an exponent, the exponents will be multiplied with each other. Base will be written as it is and the exponents will be multiplied with each other. Power of a product rule says if there are two things in the base and we have a whole exponent, this whole exponent will be written with every base. Similarly, power of a fraction rule, if we have bases in division, if we have a upon b and we have a whole exponent over it, this whole exponent will written with the numerator and denominator both separately. 0 exponent we have learned before, if we have 0 as exponent, the answer is equals to 1. Negative exponent we have learned before, if we have negative exponent, it can be written as a positive exponent simply by reciprocating it. Then fractional exponent, we have seen it before. Here are the same laws with examples. Law 1, any base raised to the exponent of 1 is equals to the base 1. If we have 1 as the base, 1 has the exponent, the answer is equal to the base. Any base raised to the exponent 0 is equal to 1. If we have 0 as the exponent, the answer is just 1. Third one, a negative base raised to an even exponent is always positive if we have a negative number in the base and the exponent is a even number, then the answer is always positive. Law 4, the negative base raised to an odd exponent is always negative. If we have a negative number in the base and the exponent is odd, then we have answer is our answer is negative number. If we have positive base, then the answer will always be positive no matter what the exponent is. But if the base is negative, then the exponent is even, answer is positive. Base negative, exponent odd, answer negative. Fifth law, if a fraction is raised to a power, then distribute the exponent to both the top and the bottom. The law which we have seen before. Okay, 2 upon 3 whole exponent 4. It means this 4 will be applied with numerator and denominator both. A base raised to a negative exponent is equal to a fraction. If we have a negative exponent, we can convert it into positive exponent simply by reciprocating it. Multiplication of powers. Okay, we can only multiply powers that have the same base. If the bases are same, only then we will be able to add the exponent. Okay, to multiply powers of the same base, add their exponent. 2 exponent 3 multiply 2 exponent 5, bases are same. So 2 exponent 3 plus 5, and the answer is 2 exponent 8. If a power is raised to another power, multiply the exponents together. For example, 2 exponent 3 having whole exponent 5. So this 3 and 5 will be multiplied with each other and we will have 2 exponent 15. Division of powers. We can only divide powers that have the same base. Okay, and the rule is to divide powers of the same base, subtract their exponent. For example, 3 exponent 4, 3 exponent 2. Bases are same and they both are dividing each other. So we will write 3 exponent 4 minus 2, which is equals to 3 exponent 2.